Mr. Stidham introduced Brandon to Ruscilli. He recommended him as someone who was looking for an opportunity. When Brandon first joined the team, the goal was just to get him introduced to the project site. So he started out pretty much just as a laborer. As we saw his desire to do more and grow, we allowed him to broaden that into a lot of other roles. My first impression of Brandon was someone driven, who really cares about what they do and doing a good job. He's someone who can't start a task without finishing the task. Always driving for improvement, always driving for more. We really watched how not just he performed as an individual, but also how he interacted with our different trade partners who are working on site. And being able to see his interaction and his thirst for knowledge from everyone around him really showed that he's someone who could excel in a construction management role with a company such as Ruscilli. Eastland-Fairfield really set him up for success with Ruscilli, not only by allowing him the ability to work on site while he was wrapping up his last couple of classes, but the classes that he was taking and that he had already completed taught him a lot of the soft skills that are sometimes missed by people. Career tech schools, especially in the construction field alone, really provide an opportunity for a lot of companies that's underutilized. Whether it's our trade partners who are working on the drywall finishes or framing, or whether it's other construction managers looking for field engineers, the career tech really builds them up and makes them workforce ready to succeed in their next endeavor. Hiring students out of the career tech programs at Ruscilli is really something that we're increasing a focus on out of the different people that we've had come out of them recently, such as Brandon out of Fairfield Career Center. And he's really shown us just how valuable the education that they're receiving at these career techs is. They're coming out of the career techs already with the mindset of what construction really means and what they value, and it separates out the driven individuals who really care about their education and care about their career path.